just giving you these results, and I wish you all the best, and I congratulate you for this achievement.
Professor Ephraim Kamuntu kwayo obutumwa obu n'obu bakuru b'amashomero babire berundanire ha mbuga nkuru za district obu mu butongore mukuru w'ebyobwegyesi arikwanjura ebyarugiro mu by'ekyamushanju Shushema nka district omu ihanga ryona yakwatira omwanya gwa kana.
Primary school 8%, Kagazi Primary School with 69%, Chauharama Primary School 68.4%, and Kanele with 66.7%. Then when we go, there's those that the learners that were assessed, they had to perform well.
Aha niho Professor Ephraim Kamuntu akabukire bakuru b'amashomero abarugwijegera bakabura kukora ryo murimo gwabo.
Inyenda ngute mweki abashomesa numwebare abo kuba mushomesa ninko munogozi ya wagira munogozi mbi ya enyungu nzibarikiro umucokezo wagira mushomesa mbi abana ntibagwa konka wagira mushomesa murungi nayombeka abana kandi abana nibamukopa abashomesa nimwe ntubasima mu gwakozire abazire ntubasima abokereza abana babo.
We mukuru w'entebe ya katana wa Shema district yashoborere ngo nobwe mshara ekiri hansi munonga nkabebembezi nikibakwataho munonga nkonko bugara n'ekintu kibi munonga
Bakwiza nabo bandi barambura amasomero bwabo bagurira bashoberwa aha kuba in training nibamanye cyumusemerere gukora kandi reka mbagambire kitari bato mwiguru no gukora ikintu orukumanya ngo cyose mbere gukora okagongora abana okagongora school
no Shushema yakwatira omwanya gwa kana omu ihanga ryona oryo muhwezi wa mukuru w'abakoza wa Shema Rose Kebirungi ayorekera okukwatwaho abo abana 32 batarakozire bigezo.
32 pupils are still many to have left the school before they complete. So we also need to know why they left and also put some measures to ensure that every child completes.
Special abo kushanga ba health shares arabine za businesses abo kushanga bamwe basinga mukache so nani bashaba ngomba kumwe bakumu mashomero gabo babase bakora amashomero gabo kugira ngo abana babase kuzo mu mashomero koraje na performance kuzahiguru kugira ngo abana bihanga tubihemu kandi abana bitu babase kubaje
okwishikira higuru okuba mu mbakuru b'amashomero haine kibar kwegekera
je nungi ebireho mu district eje ya Shema eresirwe obwembezi burungi okukira munonga bwe mu education department
performance eje yabo cyo kubanza n'abashomesa kushomesa syllabus yona bakaje exhausting echo bakashikora je kandi kikaletera batunge enough time yabana kora revision tumanya practice makes perfect.
Aha mukoro ogu Professor Ephraim Kamuntu ashabira abazaire okufayo munonga okushomesa abana babo
ubiguze urebe ngo watungo kwetegereza icyo nkabanyankore umuntu akakunda kuraga umwana we wabo inente noraga umwana wawe kandi uzikorerera muri ite tugira umwanya wo kuraga umwana wawe ente baganana cyo muraga ibina bino
gasha kwa Gerard tugume omurshema